So now over here, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did over here, and we'll make sure that the height is good before we move on. Another thing you gotta worry about with scrap wood, all twisted. And then I'll put this piece in, and then shave them both down if I have to. And then we'll do 2.5-inch screws all the way down. Perfect. I can put this piece in against the wall here. 32 1/4. A little tight. Before I put this piece on here and then put the plywood on, what I'm gonna do is take a measurement and rest a 2x4 right on this sill, and then I'll level it this way. It should be the same as this, 30 1/2. Once I plumb this, I'll check that, and then the same on the other side. Triple check for plumb. Perfect. So now I check this, make sure it's what I wanted, 35. Check this out here, and that's 35 1/8. So bring it in a little bit. Still 35 1/8. I got to give it a good hip check. Basically, I want this the same as the back, which is going to be good right there. And then, just in case something went wrong, we're gonna check for square before I go attaching these two benches together. That's pretty good. Now, I can cut a piece at 35 for right here and right here. Now this, if I get this piece in, hopefully both of these legs are plumb. Check this one. That's a little out. Hopefully this is out the same way. Yep. So I should be able to kick the whole thing this way. Maybe just that. Perfect. And perfect. And then when I put another piece in this way, when I do shelving over there, that'll kind of hold everything together. That's the plan anyways. Now I'm gonna put a shelf underneath where the saw is gonna go. I'll use some 1 3/4 screws to attach this. So just doing that already tighten this thing way up. So awesome. Now I'll cut a sheet for where the saw is going. And then I can put it right up there. I think I'll be good not to put any support in between here. Saw's heavy, but not that heavy. Nice. Ah, shucks. Flipping it. There you go. See how it's gonna work. So now, since I made this a little bit wider, when I go all the way this way, I don't have to worry about smashing my hand or crushing my finger right here. That's good. And on the back here, I ended up bending this bag a little bit. If I wanted to use that, I'll probably hook up some kind of vacuum system or dust collection system, but just made it. So we should be good. And I'm just gonna attach it, because this is pretty much gonna stay here. right, now that that's set up, I can actually use it to cut these pieces. Should have done that from the start, huh?